To install Blocksy Pro on your site, you install the Blocksy free theme from the WordPress repository first. Check out the video on the installation of the Blocksy theme. On this page, I already have the theme installed, and if I go to plugins, I also have the Blocksy companion installed, which by default, when I install it from the WordPress repository, is the free version. To switch over to Pro, go to your account at Creative Themes, and you can follow the link in the description below. After you've signed up, click on your account, navigate to Downloads, and select Download. This will open a screen, download the Pro plugin companion, and also give you your license key, which you copy. Back to WordPress, click on Add Plugin, Upload Plugin, and choose Blocksy Companion and open. Install now. Activate plugin, and then enter your license key. After activation, it will hop back into the Blocksy dashboard with a few changes. At the top, there's a label that says it's Blocksy Pro, and also on the left, you will see that you have additional content blocks and your account. Navigate to Plugins, and by installing the Premium Pro Blocksy Companion plugin, it deactivates the Blocksy Companion, the original free one, as it has become redundant. In this case, I'll go ahead and delete it.